Tattoos. For many, a special way to express their personality. But in Africa, despite the fact that tattoos have existed here for thousands of years to signify bravery, courage, and social status, modern-day tattoo art is rather seldomly found. But why?
We were called thugs for having tattoos. Everyone would just think we were street boys. We were told we wouldn't go anywhere. I was told that so many times. I was even discouraged by my own family and friends.
SHEMATTOO had to overcome many prejudices before being named Best Rwandan Tattoo Artist in 2023. Let's hear it from the expert. What is so special about tattooing black or dark-skinned people?
Different ink colors can be used on darker skin, but we usually use what we call triple black. This triple black is strong and suitable for our black skin, while also remaining applicable for individuals with lighter skin. Doing fine lines, whether on darker skin or a lighter one, it's all the same. It's the same approach. The difference is how they appear. For a lighter skin, you can do one line once. Most of the time, you don't have to repeat it. But for black skin, to make it visible, you have to repeat it once or twice. Both skin tones, dark or light, they scar from tattoos the same way. There is no difference in scarring unless a tattoo artist injures you. It's just all about experience.
In Rwanda, tattoos and skin alterations have never been used to signify tribal affiliation, but they were used traditionally to cure diseases. Those tattoos were predictably very simple in design.
After these traditional practices, young men started doing it to express their personality. You'd see a young man with a sign of a heart on his skin. But to do this, they would scratch and damage their skin for self-expression.
Shema clearly wants to give tattooing in Rwanda a safe and modern update. But how to overcome biases, fears, and prejudices? And why is he convinced that pain is an essential part of it?
Tattoo is love, message, and motivation, right? If you have those three, you can endure the pain. This is an image of my mother. She's my love. I lost her when I was in grade 3, so this is my true love. Before doing this, I was sure I was ready to endure any pain because I knew in the end she'll be with me forever. You see this tattoo of Tom and Jerry? We grew up watching this cartoon, Tom and Jerry. It really made us happy. So when I'm sad, having bad times, I look at this tattoo and I remember the good times when I was happy, and then I feel good again. Like any other art, tattoo art improves with practice. The more you work in it, the better you become at it, and it gets easier for you. Tattoo art in Rwanda has developed. It's impressive, very impressive. To the point where tattoo artists are starting to make money and our clients are not judged anymore.
Even if tattoos are not part of everyday life in Rwanda, there are more and more young people who want to embellish their bodies. Skin carvings with sharp objects are not uncommon. Unhygienic, risky, painful, and not very decorative if done unprofessionally. Now, Shema is paving the way for tattoo art as part of black inclusion.
My aim is to encourage the acceptance of tattoos in Africa, Rwanda in particular. I want them to be seen as something normal. I want people to realize that having a tattoo is absolutely fine. For real, tattoos aren't essential for society.
Maybe not, but some need them to express themselves. Are tattoos more accepted in Rwanda now?
This time I want another tattoo, something simple like a star. Most of my clients are young, between 18 to around 40 years old. Older people come too. Some parents think that it's cool to get a tattoo of their kid's image.
Shema's road to success as a tattoo artist was paved with difficulties, yet his unbreakable spirit propelled him forward to realize his dreams in ink.